Crash course on Switzerland. Historical landmarks and architecture. Welcome to a crash course on Switzerland's iconic historical landmarks and architectural wonders. In this section, I'll share interesting stories and examples to ignite your curiosity. Following that, I'll present you with a list of the top 12 attractions that showcase Switzerland's rich history and remarkable architecture. Let's embark on this journey of discovery. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Chillon Castle's Tales. Located on the shores of Lake Geneva, Chillon Castle is a magnificent medieval fortress with a rich history. It has witnessed centuries of events, including battles, imprisonments, and royal visits. Explore its labyrinthine halls and imagine the stories that unfolded within its walls. 2. The Legacy of Roman Aventicum. Discover the ancient Roman city of Aventicum, now known as Avenches. Walk in the footsteps of Roman inhabitants as you explore the well-preserved ruins, including the theater, amphitheater, and the majestic Roman columns. 3. The mystique of St. Peter's Cathedral. In the heart of Geneva stands St. Peter's Cathedral, a symbol of the city's history and religious heritage. Climb the tower for panoramic views of the city, or descend into the archaeological site to uncover traces of its ancient past. Top 12 attractions of historical landmarks and architecture in Switzerland. 1. Chillon Castle. Immerse yourself in the medieval charm of Chillon Castle, located on the shores of Lake Geneva. Explore its towers, dungeons, and courtyards, and admire its picturesque setting. 2. The Old Town of Bern. Wander through the UNESCO-listed Old Town of Bern, with its well-preserved medieval architecture. Marvel at the Bern Cathedral, clock tower, and the enchanting arcades that line the streets. 3. The Abbey of St. Gallen. Visit the Abbey of St. Gallen, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its Baroque library and stunning Rococo hall. Admire the intricate craftsmanship and explore the beautifully landscaped courtyard. 4. Castles of Bellinzona. Discover the Castles of Bellinzona, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the Italian-speaking region of Switzerland. These imposing fortresses served as strategic defense points in medieval times. 5. The Wooden Bridge Chapel in Lucerne. Admire the iconic Wooden Bridge Chapel, also known as the Chapel Bridge, in Lucerne. This historic covered bridge is adorned with paintings depicting the city's history. 6. The Aargau Castles. Explore the Aargau Castles, a collection of picturesque castles and ruins located in the canton of Aargau. Each castle has its unique story and offers insights into Switzerland's medieval past. 7. Zeitglocke Clock Tower. Marvel at the Zeitglocke Clock Tower in Bern, a medieval landmark with an astronomical clock. Observe the intricate movements of the clock and its whimsical figurines. 8. Rapperswil Castle. Visit Rapperswil Castle, situated on the shores of Lake Zurich. This medieval castle boasts a stunning view of the lake and surrounding area and houses several museums. 9. The Lion Monument. Pay tribute to the Lion Monument in Lucerne, a sculpture commemorating the Swiss guards who lost their lives during the French Revolution. The sculpture is a powerful symbol of courage and sacrifice. 10. The Kapellbruck. Walk across the iconic Kapellbruck, a covered wooden bridge in Lucerne adorned with vibrant paintings depicting scenes from Swiss history and folklore. 11. The Grossmünster. Explore the Grossmünster, one of Zurich's most recognizable landmarks. This Romanesque-style cathedral has played a significant role in Swiss history and offers panoramic views from its towers. 12. The Castle of Gruyère. Step into the medieval world of the Castle of Gruyère, located in the charming town of Gruyère. Admire its well-preserved architecture and take in the panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. Summarizing this writing, Switzerland's historical landmarks and architectural treasures provide a glimpse into the country's rich heritage. From medieval castles and charming old towns to stunning cathedrals and impressive monuments, Switzerland offers a wealth of cultural and historical experiences. Explore the stories embedded within its walls, marvel at the craftsmanship of its structures, and immerse yourself in the captivating history that shaped this beautiful nation. And now, a poem inspired by the historical landmarks and architectural wonders of Switzerland. In Switzerland's embrace, history unfolds. Through castles, cathedrals, stories untold. Chillon's secrets whispered by the lake, Burns Arcades, where time takes a break. St. Gallen's Abbey, a treasure divine. Belinsorna's castles, standing in line. Lucerne's bridges, paintings come alive. Argau's ruins, tales from days gone by. Zurich's towers, reaching for the sky. Rapperswil's castle, where legends lie. Gruyere fortress, standing strong and grand. Switzerland's history, a tapestry so grand. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AID equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.